welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is fabulous. I hope you guys stay till the end because I know it's a talking video. I'm not showing anything styling, but today's topic is gonna be like mind-opening because I asked this question on Instagram. So why wardrobe full of clothes and you have nothing to wear? So I had done a wardrobe evaluation for a client and she had like massive wardrobe, and when she called me, she said that she has massive wardrobe. I have done massive wardrobe, so I know what she meant. But in her case, she had not worn 60% of the pieces that she had. So when I finished her wardrobe evaluation, on my way back, I wrote this on Instagram that why do we have wardrobe full of clothes and yet nothing to wear? I want even you guys to write in the comment section that why would you have a wardrobe full of clothes and still say that you have nothing to wear. Hi, this is Jainee Gandhi. I'm an image consultant, a style curator and a sustainable style advocate. On this channel, we talk about real relatable wearable styling ideas, something that you can utilize in your day-to-day life. So after asking this question, I got some amazing replies, okay? And I decided that today I'm going to tackle those question by question. I've clubbed them together and I've done most common things that people write, and I know for a fact that this is right. So first thing, people have written that they fail to create multiple ways out of one style, or people have written that they have clothes and not outfits. What a fantastic analogy. Why do we have multiple things in our wardrobe but nothing to wear is because when we buy things, we don't think of it as will it work for our current wardrobe. We just buy without thinking, without a strategy, and then we come back home, we feel that, oh, I can wear this with say maybe one white pant, or I can wear this one time but I don't know what to do with it. So next time when you're going to shop, please make sure that whatever you are buying, you are able to utilize within your wardrobe. The idea is that if you can't think of 3 different ways in which you will wear that piece, you will not buy that piece in future. Because the moment you can think of 3 different ways to wear the piece that you are buying with your current wardrobe, you are, before even paying that money, you have thought of multiple ways. And please stop thinking of ways of this will go with my blue denims, my white denims, my orange denims, my orange pants. No. When I say 3 different ways, I want you to think that, hey, I can wear this with denim for a casual day out. I can wear this with skirt for smart casual. I can wear this with a formal pant for a Friday casual at work. This is the way you will think, not all casual ways, okay? So first things first, to convert your clothes into outfit or to get multiple wears out of it, before paying money, you will think of 3 different ways you can style this piece. Alright? The second one, the most common question is, I have put on weight, I have lost weight and I don't know what to do with it. Now, if you have put on weight 10 years back and for 10 years you're on the same weight, then please don't keep things to fit that 10 years back you. Please stop punishing your body. I am telling you, if you are not working towards attaining that body goal, it's not going to magically happen. But what will for sure happen is your guilt when you look at those clothes. The next common thing that I got was that clothes are not stacked properly, hence not visible, or that unorganized closet and not displaying clothes right. Okay, this is also a very common question and I have a video on how to organize your wardrobe in 7 simple steps. I have been following those steps for the last 10 years with all my clients, for myself as well, and I falter sometimes, but it's foolproof and I can assure you that. I'm going to link that video here. I also have a blog and you can read and utilize your wardrobe space effectively. Arrange things in a way that you're able to access it. If pants are here, then keep your tops, skirts, shorts, everything in one place because the separates go well together. Keep your dresses and jumpsuits at one place. Keep all your accessories, your jewelries, everything in one place, because if you have to go from one room to another, you just lose interest and you're not going to dress up and you're going to forget it. I don't know where the piece is. I don't want to do it. Okay? Then the next one is, people have said that I wear something for drinks with friends and I don't know what to do with it later on. Or someone has said that I feel that it's too grand, too formal, too casual, I don't know what to do with it. Okay, now this happens is because you don't know what your personal style is, and that's why you buy these pieces but you don't know what to do with it. You don't know if your wardrobe is transitional or not. You don't know if it's working for you, for your current life and your personal style or not. This is an absolutely interesting topic. I've shared my journey of how I discovered my personal style. I knew exactly what are the breaking barriers for me the day I started discovering my personal style. If you want to know more and understand in detail what your personal style is, I would highly suggest that enroll in my course. I have a whole digital styling course. These styling videos, I call it the mother of all styling because no one has created such styling courses for Indian women across the world. The whole point that whenever you open your wardrobe and nothing works for you is because you don't see yourself in the wardrobe. You see pieces and things, but they are not you. They are just there. It's not you. So invest in styles that work for you. Your wardrobe is a window to your soul. Your wardrobe makes sure that you dress in a way that makes you feel comfortable. Dressing up is absolutely for yourself and for no one else. So don't feel guilty for dressing up. Don't shy away from trying something new. And why your wardrobe doesn't work for you is because A, you don't think of things when you're buying, you don't strategize. B, you have things kept for donkey's years that you know you're not going to use it but you're not willing to let go. 3, you're not displaying your clothes well, and that's why you're forever confused where that piece is when you want to wear it. And 4, you don't know your personal style. If you fall into these 4 categories and you're confused, sit down with a paper and a pen. Go to my earlier video on how I found my personal style. I've shared a trick or simple trick on how you can find your personal style, and that's going to help you. If you have liked what you've seen so far, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. Comment below why you have a wardrobe full of clothes and you don't wear. Please reach out if you have any questions and I'll definitely answer them. Till I see you next time. Bye-bye.